Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 kitchen hacks that will transform your cooking experience. Let's dive in. First up, hack number 1. Use a spoon to peel ginger. Instead of struggling with a knife, a spoon easily scrapes the skin off without wasting the precious ginger. Next, hack number 2 involves ice cubes. Freeze leftover coffee into ice cubes and use them in your iced coffee, preventing it from getting watered down. Hack number 3 is for reviving stale bread. Sprinkle a little water on the bread, wrap it in foil, and bake it in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. It'll taste fresh again. Our fourth hack is egg-related. For a perfectly round diner-style egg, crack the egg into a ring of bell pepper on your skillet. Not only is it tasty, but it looks great too. Finally, hack number 5. To peel garlic quickly, microwave the cloves for 20 seconds. The skins will slip right off. Thanks for tuning in. Try these hacks and tell me which one's your favorite in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more amazing tips.